So this question is from transient analysis and it says that the switch is closed at t equal to 0. So this switch is closed at t equal to 0. So we have to find V naught of t at t equal to 3 by 20 seconds. So we have to find this output voltage at t equal to 3 by 20 seconds. So first of all we have to find the inductor current at t equal to 0 minus. So at t equal to 0 minus, at t equal to 0 minus the switch was open. At t equal to 0 minus the switch was open. So this current, the IL inductor current at 0 minus is equal to 0 because the switch was open. And because of property of inductor, IL at 0 plus will also be equal to 0. So inductor current just after switch was closed, just before switch was open, that is inductor current at t equal to 0 minus was 0. So inductor current just after switch was closed, that means at t equal to 0 plus, because the switch is closed at t equal to 0. So IL at 0 plus will also be equal to 0. This is the property of inductor, that IL 0 minus is equal to IL 0 plus. Now we have to find V naught at 0 plus. So at V naught at t equal to 0 plus, this circuit will look like this. So I am drawing the circuit at t equal to 0 plus. So this is 10 ohm, this is 5 ohm. And just after switch is closed, the inductor behaves as open circuit. So this switch is closed but the inductor is behaving as open circuit. So this is the circuit at t equal to 0 plus. So the switch is closed but inductor is behaving as open circuit, because just after the switch is closed the inductor will behave as open circuit. So the V naught at 0 plus can be found out by voltage divider rule. So it will be equal to 3 into R2 upon R1 plus R2. So 5 upon 5 plus 10. So this is equal to 15 upon 15. So 1 volt. So the output voltage at t equal to 0 plus we have found out to be 1 volt. Now we have to find the V naught at infinite. So now we are drawing circuit at t equal to infinite. Means the steady state. So at steady state the inductor behaves as short circuit and the switch is also closed. So this is 10 ohm, this is 3 volt, this is 5 ohm. The switch is closed and inductor will also behave as short circuit. So output voltage at t equal to infinite will be 0 volt. V naught of infinite will be equal to 0 volt because this is a short circuit. So now the equation for V naught is, V naught at t is V naught at 0 plus V naught infinite plus V naught at 0 plus minus V naught infinite into e to the power minus t upon tau. So V naught at infinite is 0 and V naught at 0 plus is 1 volt. So this is equal to V naught at infinite we have found out to be 0. So this is equal to 1 into e to the power minus t upon tau. Now we have to find the tau, that is the time constant. So the next step is finding tau. So for finding tau we have to short the voltage source and open the current source. So when we short the voltage source then this 10 ohm and 5 ohm resistor will come in parallel, and this is the inductor, and this is the switch. So 10 ohm and 5 ohm are in parallel, so tau will be equal to L upon R equivalent. So the value of L is 1 by 2 and the value of R equivalent is parallel combination of 10 and 15. So parallel combination of 10 and 15 is 10 into, sorry, parallel combination of 10 and 5. So 10 into 5 upon 10 plus 5, that is 15. So 50 upon 15. So 50 upon 15. So 1 by 2 upon 50 upon 15. So tau will also come out to be 3 upon 20. Because it will be 15 upon 100, so 15 upon 100 can be simplified to 3 upon 20. So the tau time constant is 3 upon 20 second, L by R. So V naught will be equal to E and T and tau are same because we have to find V naught of T at T equal to 3 by 20. So tau is also same. So T and tau will cancel. So this will be equal to e to the power minus 1. So the answer will be 0.367. So this is how we found the value of V naught of T at T equal to 3 upon 20 second.